to talk about a new weapon light from Olight called the Balder Pro. The Balder Pro is a 1350 lumen LED weapon light with a visible green laser mounted to the bottom. It has 3 modes: laser only, laser and light only. So the user can decide which best suits his tactical application. Lately, I've been running the light and the laser. It's powered by 2 CR123A batteries. I've been actually using a rechargeable version, a lithium-ion battery. And it also features a quick disconnect, which is nice. This is set up for the Glocks, and I've been using it on the bottom of my Glock 17, and you can see how easily it mounts and how secure it is. Show you a couple of the features. We're going to start in laser only. On the rear of the tail cap, there's buttons on both sides for right and left-handed users. This is the visible green laser only. Switching to light and laser, you're going to get 1350 lumens along with the green laser. Green laser is kind of hard to see at that range. And then you have light only. Another feature, when you push both tailpiece buttons at the same time, you end up with a disorienting strobe light. You can also toggle between 2 power settings by turning it on and then double tapping it to get the low feature, and then back to high. So one of the things I noticed is the very short period of time that this thing runs at the full 1350 lumens. It only runs there for about a minute, and then it throttles it back 37% and will run for another 125 minutes after that. So keep that in mind when you're purchasing it. It is also IPX4 rated, which is resistant to water splash in all directions. It is not submersible like, say, the Streamlight or the Surefire, but for most, I'd say 99% of users, you're probably not going to need it to be submersible. So this is a very viable option and a very economical option. Comes in at $159, which is less than half of the Streamlight or the Surefire. So we're going to go outside and do some shooting tonight and see what this looks like on the range. This is the Insight M3X. This is the Streamlight TLR1HL. This is the Olight Balder Pro. All right, we're out here on a blustery evening in northern Michigan in the winter, and we're here to test the new Balder Pro laser light combo. This 1350 lumen torch that sits under my Glock 17. We've got some targets about 10-15 yards in front of us, and we're going to test it in all 3 modes. The light only, the light laser, and then the laser only, and see how it looks. So let's get it going. This first test is going to be light only. Now we're going to switch it over to light and laser, and that is using this switch on the bottom. And now it's just going to be laser only. I don't know if it's going to pick up, but let's give it a try. All right, that's the Balder Pro. Now we've got a FNX 45 with Silencer Co. Octane 45. That is so cool. Want to give it a shot? Okay, we're back at 25 yards. Engaging target. do you think?
Goes by fast. It's pretty quiet.
How do you like the light?
It's bright. I like the laser.
Yeah, laser's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.